Hi, I'm Matthias, the executive sous chef of the landmark Mandarin Oriental. I'm from Germany and I'm very excited about this Blue Apron challenge from Chef Richard and happy to join this one. I will cook with you today one of my favorite home cooking dishes, an asparagus risotto, and I will explain you some tricks and tips what you can use at home to get a successful risotto. So the first thing what we will start is to cut the asparagus. So I will start here. So I have some white and some green asparagus. I have peeled already. So for the white asparagus it's very important that we peel it very carefully, because if there is still skin on the white asparagus, then that's not nice to eat. So basically we cut the asparagus just in half. So I need to turn on also the stock. I have cooked already with the skin of the asparagus. I have already cooked the stock, which we will use later on to fill up the risotto, so that we get a very flavorful asparagus risotto. And then we will cook the asparagus for around 30 seconds. And then we can start with the risotto. So for the risotto it's important to make the pan not too hot, otherwise the fine chopped shallots and the garlic will start to burn. Yeah, now you see already that the pan gets hot. Then the garlic inside, and then when we put the rice, we keep it around another 30 seconds together. Put the white wine inside. So for the risotto it's very important that we clean always the side from the pot, because otherwise if the risotto sticks on the side, and then we have some very hard risotto later on in the risotto, and we don't want to have that. It's important that we don't put the stock all in once, otherwise it could be possible that we overcook the risotto. So just little by little. And then, as I said before, we have to take care that we always clean the sides from the pot. And then we can start already and put the asparagus in. Still a bit hot from the way we blanched it before, so we have some butter cubes, which is very important that they are cold. So then we add some Parmesan, some Chervil, and then some lemon. Match between the skin. They have a bit other flavors than only the juice. We'll add a bit more of the white pepper. Acidity is already enough. Some salt. And then we go with the risotto. So, and when the risotto is still running on the plate, then you see you have a very nice risotto. Please enjoy.